This is size 12 B100, and thread I'm using is block 80. I will explain all the material as I go along. Just about starting from here. Keep going down, touch and turn. I'll just alter the hook to put the tag on it. So this is a holographic purple tag. I'm going to use this stencil. Just takes enough piece, long enough to, and cut it diagonally from one end so you can catch it easily. Just bring it around towards the eye, touch and turn. That's enough. Hold it there, catch it, and secure it. Let's drop this first piece. And just go back again. Sorry, all the way out. Just come back. And just about here. That's it. For the body, I'm using, this is red strip quill. Just take this off and open the thread. One turn, couple of turn. I'm going to also add some UV ribbing as well. So this is a UV tinsel, and just take enough piece so you can use it. And touching turn, keep coming back. And just come back up again to level the body. Bring the hook back to normal position. Right, now gently bring your strip quill, just leaving about a millimeter or two gap in between, so you can add this UV ribbing in it. So if you find it difficult to do that, best idea is to use your hackle plier, and the small one, and just do it nice and steady. That should be enough. And just catch it a couple of turns, secure. Came off itself, but it doesn't matter. That's better. Open the thread, just some wax on it, and now bring your ribbing by filling these gaps. That's better. Secure it again. Chop the waste piece. Now that's done. In this stage, I'm going to use, for the post, I'm going to use this foam. It's a red foam, as 3mm diameter. Normally used for boobies and all this, dirty long legs, bodies, but this is, I prefer it, and this actually float well, and the post you can see. So just get this end off, like 1, 2 turn. It's a bit too close. And the hackle I'm going to use for the parachute is black whiting. This is a pro grade. That's really nice feathers. So take some off from the end so you can catch it at the same time. Couple of turns. And I will add another post, which is a red Chinese cock hackle. And just take this waste piece off and just hold them up together. Now I'll just add some wax on it. And go with, and then go around the post. Yes. You have to go a few times, so until it gets nice and stiff. Now we can bring our hackle easily. Parachute hackle. I think that's better. That's better. Then come back up again. I think also I'm going to add these red peacock herb for the head and thorax. So it's a 3 strand, but you can use 2 if you got a nice and fluffy one. And just scale them properly. That's better. And pull the end bits up, and so you can chop it. That's better. Right. Before I do all this, I'm going to hold these forward just for a minute or two. The reason is therefore so I can add some varnish or UV resin on the body. Just not too much, just to dry the brush properly, so you can just secure it, spread it around. That's enough. then use your UV torch to cure this. That's done. Now just unwind this to bring all this material back to the normal position, and secure this side and bring that up. Now here add some wax, decent amount. Now I've got to put this post now, and sometimes people, you see some other tires, they use, you know, this first for the thorax and then bring this parachute hackle, but mine, I prefer doing this so I can do the thorax and body after, thorax after. So first I've got to bring the black one. Right, that's enough. And then you have to catch it. Just keep your thread down, make sure you don't catch any hackle. In fact, in this stage, if you bring these parachute hackle up, so it'll be easier to do that. Now better. Just secure it a couple of turns or even more. And this is a bit short, so use hackle plier. Just a couple of turns, or as long as you know you're happy. Just take your time on this, it's a bit tricky. That's better. Just let it dangle. Again, bring this fiber up, so that's better. Couple of turns. I think that's good enough. Pull this up with your hand and catch these forward as well, because just for the security of the parachute, because in case they come off. That's better. Now pull this off. That's it. Okay. Use your scissor to get these fiber off. Now that's better. That's it. Don't worry about these. Parachute hackle will alter them after when the fly is finished. It's not going anywhere. Now just bring them up completely if you could, or as much as they come up. Add wax again. Now I'm going to go back to this side, and now 3 of these strands, hold them together and wrap them around your thread a few turns, and now you hold everything together, and now take your time, have some patience as well, because it's a bit irritating as well sometimes when you're trying first time or after a long time, one turn. Like myself, if I time this, I'll take as much time as possible. 2 turn, 3, and just like a figure of 8. 4. Well, you have to count them, but come towards the eye, and that's enough actually. And then take these couple of times off and we're finished. Just secure them nicely. Take these excessive piece off, and before you whip finish, add some varnish on your thread, very tiny amount. It's a river fly. I just enjoy fishing with this, especially grayling and some brown trout. So it's a little bit delicate, so just kind of dry this off with your finger if you want, but not necessarily. And the final bit is, yeah, we're finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's enough. That's here. That's better. Now bring this fly back to the normal position, hold the post and nicely, and just chop this foam. You can chop it straight or a little bit diagonally. I think that's fine. Yeah, that's better, as long as you can see the post while you're fishing. So here we are. This is your river Klinkhammer for brown trout and grayling. Really nice fly. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. I hope you like this fly.